Hey, my 2-minute conviction, guys, is that as leaders, we need to be slow to anger. Anger. It's this fierce emotion that we all feel, and I should know because, it's something that I struggle with at the best of times. I can withdraw in my anger, or I can explode. I can turn to silence, or I can go to violence. But, we think of anger as a toxin of the soul, as that poison that we drink hoping the other person's going to die. These are the cliches. We know anger is not good. Proverbs, the book of wisdom in the Bible, says a man who is quick to anger is foolish. It says in another place that fools vent their rage. And so as leaders, we need to learn how to harness our anger. We want to be slow to anger. And the greatest insight I've just learned recently in the way we might acknowledge our anger and analyze why we feel so strongly about situations is to address it with a surgical strike, rather than just write off the other person or seek for some wholesale revenge, or to let your emotions go in all directions over an event or a situation that you deemed is an injustice or wrong. Exemplify your anger with a surgical strike. Insist on the truth that you want to see prevail, but don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. And so here's my 2-minute conviction. If we are slow to anger, then we bridle the ruthless emotions, and we can be specific about the things that offend or hurt us, and we can communicate that effectively with our people and not lose the relationships with those who matter most. You don't have to ignore the things that harm you, but a surgical strike around those things that cause you to feel angry will help. As leaders, if we are slow to anger, we can acknowledge our feeling, we can analyze it, and we can surgically strike. I hope that helps you. Hope it helps me. Have a great week.